Hey, good evening, everybody. Hope you're all having a great Sunday night. This is Solon, and welcome back to your channel, American Rod Shop. And in tonight's video, I have found for you 10 amazing classic project cars that I think you will want to own. And I tried to stay in the price range to where these cars would have enough, sort of say, meat left on the bone that you could buy the car, still drive it while you're restoring it, and still have enough invested in the car to where you could go ahead and afford to fix it. I researched each corner of the United States, and I found you 10 of these cars that I think are very affordable. They're all buy and drive, and you can drive them while you restore them. Great project cars. And if you would, please like, subscribe, and share. Be sure to turn on your notification bell so that the next time this video drops, you can be some of the first ones to be able to go into the description and check out the links going to these cars and seeing what great deals you can find there. Now, tonight's commentary question is this: concerning project cars, which one in this video do you think was the best deal? Drop your answer in the comments for fun, and we'll see what everybody has to say. Let's get into the video with number 1. 1966 Plymouth Valiant Convertible, listed for $7,500 in WESLEY Chapel, Florida. Now, this car has been driven 80,963 miles since its build. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is white and the interior color is black, and it comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1966 Plymouth Valiant with an all-new interior, all-new top, very close to being finished. Does have a small engine noise, but runs and drives great. New LED headlights, all glass is brand new. New wheels and tires, new traction bars, new exhaust, new gas tanks, new brake lines. Has a 318 motor, $7,500 or best offer. And guys, I give this one right off the bat my best deal seal. Number 2, 1963 Pontiac LEMANS Convertible, listed for $7,900 in Dover, Florida. Now, this car has an original 95,000 miles on it. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is brown and the interior color is gold, and it looks really good. This vehicle comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1963 Pontiac LEMANS Convertible with a 4-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. Runs and drives great. New brakes, new tires. It does have a little rust in the lower rocker panels and rear quarters. The floors are solid. Trunk is solid. It is a fun car to drive with 95,000 original miles. Asking $7,900 or best offer. The seller invites you to come take a look. It seems like this would be a really great deal. Number 3, 1961 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $6,000 in West Halifax, Vermont. Now, the mileage on this car is listed at less than 30,000 miles since the motor was rebuilt. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is brown and the interior color is red, and the seller is the third owner, and it has a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: asking for best reasonable offer over $6,000. This car is a driver with a motor and transmission with less than 30,000 miles on it since both were rebuilt just a few years back. Seller has not been able to store it in a garage, so it does need floor pans repaired and some body work. Runs and shifts beautifully. Good solid interior and nice headliner. Seller has maintenance records for the last 40 plus years to go with the car. It was a daily driver up until 2015 when it was last registered, and has been cranked and driven only on local streets in order to keep it up to par. Asking for best reasonable offer over $6,000. Number 4, 1967 Mercury Cougar Sport Coupe, listed for $9,500 in Peabody, Maine. Now, this car has been driven 78,000 miles since its build. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is red and the interior color is black, and it comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1967 first edition of Mercury Cougar. 302 engine, runs and drives good, and makes a great project car for someone to finish. The seller states he doesn't have the time for it, so is downsizing his collection. Fairly nice paint job, solid body, decent interior. Needs someone who loves this model of a car to take it and bring it back to full life. $9,500 or best offer. Let's get into number 5. 1974 AMC Hornet listed for $9,800 in Moorhead, Kentucky. Now the mileage on this car is unlisted, but it does list that it has automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange and the interior color is black and red. Seller's description is as follows: 1974 AMC Hornet does run and drive but needs a few things to be perfect. Would be a great car to drive while restoring. This car turns a lot of heads and is loud but sounds really nice. Has an AMC 360 motor that has had some upgrade work done to it. Automatic transmission with a Hurst shifter and a 9-inch Ford rear end rounds it out. Has had LED ring headlights added as a nice custom touch. Car was appraised for $10,500, asking $9,800 or best offer, and it's located in Monticello, Kentucky. Number 6. 1951 Dodge Coronet listed for $5,800 in West Liberty, Kentucky. Now the mileage on this car is unlisted, but estimates it has about 11,000 miles on it since the motor has been gone through. Has the original Gyromatic automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior color is multicolored. Seller's description is as follows: first generation 1951 Dodge Coronet. This 1951 Coronet is in real good condition. Runs and drives good, but the brakes are a little soft. No rust in the super straight body. The trunk is solid. Floor pans have been repaired and patched. Needs a headliner and the interior work redone. The dash looks fantastic. 5-spoke mags with radial GT Road Hugger tires, and all chrome is good. Asking $5,800 or best offer. And guys, I love this year model body designs on all these cars for that year, so I'm giving this one my Editor's Choice Award. Number 7. 1970 Buick Skylark listed for $10,000 in Flagstaff, Arizona. Now the seller lists as having been driven 80,000 miles. It's got automatic transmission. The exterior color is green and the interior color is green, and it comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows: 1970 Buick Skylark with a 350 V8. Runs and drives very well. New shocks and steering components, new belts, new hoses, new tune-up, and all original car. Would be a good candidate for a complete restoration. The body is super straight with minimal rust. Trunk and floor pans are solid. Original paint is starting to fade, and it has a decent interior. The grille is in good shape, and the good chrome trim is nice all around. An awesome running and driving project car. $10,000 or best offer, or possible trade plus cash. Number 8. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino listed for $8,000 in Concord, California. This car is listed as having 57,000 miles on it since the motor's been rebuilt. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is silver and the interior color is black. Seller's description is as follows: this 1970 Chevrolet El Camino has the 1970 El Camino 350 motor in it with the Turbo 400 transmission. This project car starts right up, runs and drives good, has a new shift kit, new Edelbrock water pump, new transmission cooler, new starter, and headers with glass packs, which gives it an awesome sound. This car needs bodywork and paint. Needs some stuff hooked up under the dash like the AC vents and the wiper motor. The interior is in pretty good condition overall. $8,000 or best offer, and this would make you a great project car. Number 9, 1929 Ford Model A, listed for $7,500 in Post Falls, Idaho. Now the mileage is unlisted. It does state that it has manual transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior color is brown, and it comes with a clean title. Seller's description is short but sweet and is as follows. 1929 Ford Model A two-door sedan, all original, runs and drives great, has a rebuilt motor with a very little mileage on it. Glass is all good, the interior is complete, the body is solid and straight with no noticeable rust. The original paint is fading and would need to be repainted. $7,500 or best offer, and this would make you a great little antique car to restore. Well, we finally made it to number 10, and I appreciate everyone out there sticking with me. This number 10 is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $9,500 in Benton, Louisiana. Now, it states that it has automatic transmission. The exterior color is red and the interior color is black. It's the third owner which is selling this vehicle, and it comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows. 25th anniversary Corvette project car. Previous owner was building it to race. It was a project for the seller and his sons. Engine has $10,000 invested into it. Car runs and drives, but does need some body work and other smaller items fixed. Mileage is low but unknown with the rebuilt engine. It has a 408 stroker with new roller rockers. It has a Wheeler Pro Series 4-bolt main block with aluminum twisted wedge heads. Has all new suspension, new bushings, new tie rods, new ball joints, and everything under the car has been replaced except for the body mount bushings. Has a new fuel tank, new aluminum radiator. It has slotted and drilled rotors, new rims and tires, new seats, new electric conversion headlights, full-length headers all the way to the side pipe. Has a new distributor and a rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission. It has a high-flow front end, has HD sprag with steel drum and HD clutch pack. Dart Wheeler competition block and yank torque converter is on it. And so don't pass up the potential of this car, $9,500 or best offer. Okay, well that wraps up another video for this Sunday night. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure not to forget like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next week in the next video. And God bless each and every one of you.